Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the FEATY brand, their weekly pill organizer. 2 times a day with same side large opening for easy filling and retrieving. Color tracking, 7-day AM/PM pill box with large BPA-free pill case. Now this product gets excellent ratings on Amazon, and the company offers a 30-day no questions asked return and replacement. All the graphics on here are specially printed, so they'll never come off, using a technique that they came up with. This is all color coded, and we're going to show you. And you can use this for your vitamins as well as your medicines. It'll hold 10 vitamins or 16 capsules. The whole pill holder is still compact for travel, and the outer case will secure your pills from spilling during the trip. You can see the outer case on there. The whole size is 6.14 wide by 3.74 by less than 2 inches high. And each size of the little holders inside there, 3.14 by 1.72 by 0.78. Superior quality. The hinges on here could be opened and closed over 10,000 times because it's all been tested and it's all reinforced for durable use. And again, it's food grade BPA free. So let's take a look at the product right here. You can see the back has these very nice flush hinges on there. It's all smooth. And here you just push like this and it opens up. Then you have access to all the days of the week, Saturday through Sunday. And you notice that they're all different colors so that you don't get confused. You got Mondays in orange, Wednesdays green, Friday is a green blue color, and Saturday is a purple color. Now let's take a look at what they look like, each one. So they have little latches on there. You just open up and look how nice it is, because it has a large area inside there. And it's curved on one side, then the other side opens up just like that. Really nice. You can just tell how much you can fit in here. You can easily fit a large dose of vitamins or a medicine or a combination of both. So here's an example. I have my actual medicine in here at breakfast and evening. I can show you right here. Really nice, and these really stay secured. And again, the graphics especially put on there, you can actually feel it's embossed on there, and it's not going to go away. Really nice. So after testing, what do I think about the FEATY brand, their weekly pill organizer? Really nice product. I could really see and understand why it gets such great ratings on Amazon. The way these are all color coded and the way everything fits in here, as I demonstrated. Really nice product, high quality. You're going to want to use this for your medicine or your vitamins. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.